Heavy rains have been battering Kerala, triggering landslips and floods, which has left many dead in the state. 5 districts, including Pathanamthitta, Kottayam, Ernakulam, Idukki, and Thrissur, were put on red alert. The heavy rain and landslides were also reported to have caused flash floods. Floodwaters have entered a number of houses and wreaked havoc across the state. Some houses located on the banks of the Pullakaya river were destroyed, with the water level rising up to 15 feet. Several persons were left homeless in Kuttikal, where torrents of mud, water and debris swept away entire homes. The water level in Idukki Dam has been rising rapidly, and the district authorities have declared an orange alert. The government has banned fishing off the coast of Kerala. National Disaster Response Force teams have been deployed in various districts. The army has been deployed in Thiruvananthapuram and Kottayam, while the Indian Air Force has flown in 2 helicopters to the Thiruvananthapuram Air Force Station for rescue operations.